So here we have the Mini Hatchback on an 08 plate. So I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. You have reversing sensors, as you can see from there. And then working our way back around to the front of the car. Now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see, particularly for its age, it's in fantastic condition the whole way around. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter, a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see, and the total miles of the car, which are 84,273, so very low mileage for the car's age. You can change the information displayed in this section by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have our stereo controls and cruise control. Over into the center, we have the main speedometer for the car, as well as the fuel gauge. And then if we move in a little closer, we've got various menus, so you can configure, which is the menu we were just on, this information, so you could change that to Fahrenheit, for example, if you wish to. You can, of course, change the time when the clocks change there. We have an onboard computer, which will give you trip computer information. We've also then got our audio options, so AM and FM radio, a CD player, and auxiliary input as well. And you can adjust the auxiliary volume from here as well. You can always also make adjustments to bass, treble, balance, and fader. The main volume for the stereo is just here, and the CD player directly above it. And then beneath that, we have the climate control. So you can adjust the temperature in the car, the fan speed, up and down. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. And when you're happy with those settings, that's your air conditioning turned on. The same button will turn that back off again. Now we've got a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen there as well. Electric driver side and passenger side window, rear and front fog lights, deadlock so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. We then have a 6-speed manual gearbox, 2 cup holders, and a 12-volt charging socket as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you soon.